Mountains high and rivers deep, twisted metal on my Jeep. Too far south will be the one. Pull the trigger, have some fun.
Good morning, guys. It's a good day, so that's a good excuse for a drive today. So we're out on some of our local tracks, and we're gonna do a few on some private property too, which is good. But we're just airing down. The guys are behind me. It's 5 of us today, and then we're going to go and get into it. So it could be a bit muddy today, but you know, we'll just take it as it comes. Stick around, see what we get up to. Okay, so we got a good fun little muddy hill here. I was actually trying to find the entrance to this track to come the other way, but I missed it, so we've come the opposite way. But that's okay. We'll go down. It's only the first track of the day. Track goes around here, but we might just nip the end of this off, and there should be enough room to squeeze by. What do you reckon, mate? We'll get up through there.
We can do that.
Rightio. I'll just get the little get the pruner out. We'll take care of this. Rightio. Scotty's done a good job there. What do you reckon?
For an old fella, he's a bit keen though,
Old
isn't
fella.
he? He's a bit keen.
He's
Look at
keen,
that.
but
Like, he's using his hands instead of the chainsaw.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
I think we spoke a bit soon.
Okay.
Well, we're done chainsawing.
Chains come off.
We're done chainsawing.
Okay, good work, Scotty. You've got a rock you're going to drive over, mate, the back wheel. That's it. Yeah, pretty easy. Nothing too hard. We're back on our way. Check out this rock formation up here beside me. Look at that. Just walk and talk. It's pretty nice in here. So I just saw this little track shooting off on the side, and thought we'd go and see where it goes. Pretty cool track. Should have gone up it actually. Anyway, not to worry. Yeah, we're on another track now, and yeah, a lot of these tracks out here just don't get used, which is nice. It's good for us. Hang on, I'm just gonna check the map. So I just thought I'd get out of the car and go for a walk and just sort of show you this track. Pretty deep in the mountains here. Haven't gotten onto the private property yet. It's still to come, but it's a stunning drive through here actually. All these rocks up in the bush. Yeah, been a few years since we came out here. I can still remember the way, which is good. As it goes, you know, we've got a big tree down over the track here, but we're just looking. We might be able to make a bit of a track down here, I think. We definitely want to go this way, so we might just clear some of this, and then I think we should be right sort of up here, I think. Just enough room, that's good. We didn't have to cut that big tree out of the way. So that was a bit of luck. Sometimes, you know, you just get lucky sometimes. It's not always the case. I'm usually more unlucky than lucky. That's it, my way a bit. Nice. Nice.
Thank you.
Well done. Was that made all right?
Oh, that was with the direction. That was brilliant. Thank you.
That's all right. Onwards we go. It's nearly lunchtime, so I think we'll be stopping in about 10:15 for lunch. Just up here a bit. We've stopped for lunch. The guys are just coming down the hill. We're gonna have a bite to eat, and then we're gonna keep going. We've got this little creek crossing here to get across. Shouldn't be any drama, so that's all good. We're gonna have a bite to eat, and then we'll get going. Just trying to find an easy way over the other side of this crossing, because right where we want to cross is a bit too far to jump. So I think I've done it. It's not a good sign. What's going on under there, mate?
Oh?
What's going on under
Oh,
here?
just my air compressor just kept on going.
Yeah, I heard it earlier.
Sounded like if it was like an air leak.
All good?
Yeah.
Okay, no, he's okay. So we'll keep going. And we've got another tree down, so we're going to have to make a bit of a bit of way around, so better have a bit of a look. Might just have to spend 10 minutes here clearing this up and we'll get through. We've made a bit of a track around this tree. We'll just get around here now. It's a bit tight, but we should be okay. Keep going. Keep going. That's a bit of fun. It's just doable. Good fun, bit of technical driving through the trees.
Yeah, you're right this side.
Oh, mate, there wasn't much left in that.
I got it, I got it.
Hey,
It's the dirty car.
that's it. You either got it or you don't. He's obviously got it. Try and get this big 79 through here. Might be a squeeze. He might do it. I think he's going to do it.
Bit more. There we go now. You're right.
Yeah, you're right. Now go straight.
Okay.
No, my way. Work. Keep coming forwards a whisker more. You just got to get your tray around it. Now hard my way. Hang on. Might be able to stand on the side step as well. And rightio.
Right.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers.
Go straight for a bit, guys. If you can. That's it. Bloody nice one. Look at that. Well done, mate.
No, thank you, gentlemen.
Oh, that was good. Oh, sometimes there's only just enough room, you know, but that's all you need. It's all part of the fun. Well, we know Nick's not going to have any trouble. Come on, mate, don't make it look too easy.
Oh, I did, didn't I?
Yeah, piece of cake for Nick. Who we got left? Scotty in the Ford Courier. We'll get him around.
Straighten.
No, up. Watch your tray. Hang on. You're clear, keep coming. Right, turn down.
Thank you.
Well done, mate, well done. There you go. With a bit of luck, should be able to link up with this other track that's down here. I think we'll be okay actually. We're nearly on our last track of the day. Well, last two tracks, they're only short. And then we'll knock off, I think. Here they come. Saw a couple of deer, one white one, and they took off up the road here. Well guys, that's our drive for today. Thanks for watching. Just a bit of fun out in a few local tracks, that was all. But you know, if you like following along in our adventures, please think about subscribing. We'd love to have you along. And we'll be back out again in the bush very soon, so keep a lookout for the next video. See ya.